My name is Ishwaram. I am studying 8th class in MP Lady Golpalam.
A short monsoon diary, opposite words, part 1. First,
Last,
strange,
familiar,
all,
none,
silent,
noisy,
come,
go,
up,
down,
perhaps,
definitely,
melancholy,
cheerfulness,
conceal,
prevail,
now,
then,
with,
without,
run,
walk,
sister,
brother,
some,
more,
genuine,
bogus,
warm,
walk,
warm,
cool,
humid,
carry,
high altitude,
low altitude,
rare, front, offered,
refuse,
certain,
uncertain,
privacy,
publicity,
asked,
answered,
paradise.
hell.